Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by S. Next, we have the formula in here. And the second one. So this one we have s minus number 1 and s square plus s plus 1. This one we have s square minus number 1 and s square plus 1. So this one we have s minus 1 and s plus 1. Now we need to simplify s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 1 going here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. So we have 3/4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.